Hi everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. This video is an exclusive video for the aspirants of competitive exams and for the people who want to enrich your vocabulary. Today, you're gonna learn a list of words ending in ology. The suffix ology is commonly used in the English language to denote a field of study. Number 1. Anthropology. Anthropology is the study of the human race, its culture and society, and its physical development. Number 2. Astrology. Astrology is the study of the movements and the positions of the sun, moon, planets and stars in the belief that they affect the character and the lives of people. Number 3. CALIOLOGY. CALIOLOGY is the study of birds' nests. Number 4. Criminology. Criminology is the scientific study of crime and criminals. Number 5. Ecology. Ecology is the scientific study of the relationship between the air, land, water, animal, plants, etc., usually of a particular area. Number 6. Entomology. Entomology is the scientific study of insects. Number 7. Ethnology. Ethnology is the study of different societies and cultures. Number 8. Etymology. Etymology is the study of the origin and the history of words. Number 9. Gerontology. Gerontology is the study of old age and of the changes it causes in the body. Number 10. Graphology. Graphology is the study of the way people write letters and words, especially in order to discover things about their characters. Number 11. Pathology. Pathology is the scientific study of disease. Number 12. Philology. Philology is the study of language, especially its history and development. Number 13. Psephology. Psephology is the study of elections and voting statistics. Number 14. Ornithology. Ornithology is the study of birds. Number 15. Theology. Theology is the study of religion and religious belief. Comment your favorite field of study, dear friends. Hope this video was useful. See you soon in the part 2 video of one-word substitutions. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and ShareChat. Thank you.